This is one super special chicken tray bake, guys. One of my favorites. Beautiful lemongrass and coconut and yellow mild curry flavors. This is a Vietnamese style curry chicken tray bake. So the real secret to this dish is taking those elements that you would use for a Vietnamese style curry, so all the beautiful aromatics and the spices, and turning them into a very easy tray bake dinner. So let's go with the aromatics first, and I'm going to start off with some red onion and some lemongrass. Now I always take these outer leaves off, they tend to be a little bit tough, and then I can finally slice that tender inside. Now I also want some garlic and some ginger, and already my kitchen is smelling amazing. These beautiful Asian aromatics always make me happy. And now the chicken. So I'm using drumsticks here. You could easily use thigh pieces or chicken breast if you like. I find chicken breast tends to dry out a little bit in this kind of a dish. But the key here is to use your knife to score that drumstick meat. That's going to help things to cook a lot quicker. It's also going to help all of the flavor penetrate right inside that chicken. And now sprinkle all of that with some curry powder. Look at that beautiful sunshine color. So much joy to be had cooking dinner. And then a little bit of oil as well. Get everything started sizzling in the oven. Now give everything a good mix. Now just because we're doing a tray bake version of this doesn't mean we completely disregard all of the good curry making techniques we would use here. So of course if you were making a curry here, you would sweat down those onions, get them nice and sweet, and start that curry powder blooming in a little bit of oil. So we're going to do the same thing, pop this into the oven for 15 minutes before we add the rest of our ingredients. So in the meantime, I'm going to get a couple of other little bits and pieces ready. I've got some sweet potato here. I'm just going to peel that. And cut that into wedges. The other thing I want to do is get a little coconut sauce going here. So I've got some coconut milk, some chicken stock, fish sauce, sugar, a couple of bay leaves, and a little sprinkle of black pepper. Just give that a whisk. And just wait for your chicken. So this is already smelling so amazing. Now I just want to snuggle my little sweet potato wedges in here and alternate those with some baby carrots as well. And now pour over that coconut milk mixture. Now we just pop this into the oven for another 45 minutes or until that chicken is cooked and the vegetables have soaked up some of that glorious liquid. Okay, wow, this is smelling so amazing, yum. And now what I like to do here is taste the sauce and add a little bit more seasoning if it needs it. Let's see. That flavor, honestly, the lemongrass and the creamy coconut, and then that beautiful little hit of mild curry spice. So good. I am going to add a little bit of fish sauce here. So I just kind of drizzle that on and then just kind of roughly stir it through. Okay, so I love to serve this family style at the table, and then everyone helps themselves to a big scoopful of beautiful sweet potato and carrot, some chicken. Don't forget to drizzle that beautiful sauce all over, and then a nice little sprinkle of coriander on top. And of course you can serve this with steamed rice, but my preferred partner in crime here is a crusty baguette. Now, just you wait until you dip that piece of baguette into that sauce. I mean, for me, it's all about the dunking. The chicken is good too, but the bread and the dunking and the sauce, now that is where it's at, my friends. Yum. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.